So you want to finance an ADU, but you don't have enough equity in your home. Or maybe you run into that house that you think there's no way I could live here, but it's in your price bracket. There are options you don't even know about. And next month on December 16th at Agent Ignite, I'm bringing in Andrew Levitt, who is with our renovation team at Fairway Mortgage Corporate. And he's going to share with us the things that we need to know that open up doors of opportunity. Adam, thank you so much for joining us at Agent Ignite this month.
Yeah, thanks, Nicole. There's so many myths and misconceptions that people have out there about homes that can't get traditional financing, or what we call Brady Bunch homes in renovation land, where it could really use just a little bit of love. And so there's ways to finance those homes with renovation financing that are so simple. And what we're going to talk about on December 16th at the Agent Ignite event is how to make those so simple for you. And for those of you out there that may have done a renovation loan before and may not have had the bad experience, I'm going to tease you with two things. Number one is going to be the huddle, and that are the secrets to helping make sure that these loans get done seamless. And I'm going to end it with what we call a housewarming party. When everybody buys a home, they love to show it off. When you use a renovation loan to turn a home that's a little dilapidated and old into this treasure, you want to really show it off to your family and friends. And when they're walking in there and they're wondering how you did it, they're going to ask, how did you do this? And they're going to say, well, my realtor showed me this home that I never would have known before. And Nicole and Fairway showed me how to finance it. And they're going to say, would you give me their phone number? And you're going to say, well, guess what? They're over there. Why don't you go talk to them? So these housewarming parties can really be wonderful lead generation parties for you. So I'm really looking forward to it, Nicole. Thank you.
Oh, Adam, I know you've got some great teasers right there. I know it's going to be a fabulous time. Of course, we're going to do the market updates. So make sure to RSVP. This one is on Zoom only. We're not doing it in-house. It is, it's the holidays and it's getting cold outside. So let's keep our slippers on. Let's do it on Zoom. We're bringing in Adam, and I can't wait to see you there. Make sure to RSVP.